How to use the Airsled LiftCart when working on range hoods. Installing or servicing range hoods can be a challenge due to their size, weight, and overhead placement. The Airsled LiftCart can be used to raise, lower, and brace range hoods during installation and service. For this range hood installation, the LiftCart's 10-inch height extension kit was required. The LiftCart's electric components should always be placed completely under the frame. Plywood boards were used to keep the LiftCart level during repositioning. The LiftCart's elevation is precisely controlled by the hand remote. Once supported, any work on the range hood can be done safely and securely. Learn more at airsled.com.